rivers right here. Let me pass it through. Come on. Good job. Keep going.
Yeah. We made it. We made it, Daddy. Hello, guys. I'm here with adventure with Daddy. And so I got a rocket. And so we're gonna eat lunch.
That's right. Noah Dominique's back. Is that right, Noah? Finally, Noah Dominic is back with me in this adventure. We are here in the local area of Tatu, Limeira. This place is a private property with the name Corredeiras, Ribeirão do Tatu. Ivelaine Fernandez Alves. That guy been text me, you know, he's one of them. He'll been texting by YouTube and telling me go and film this Ribeirão.
Searching for an open door. I was looking for a peace of mind. It's a feeling that I tend to get. Won't rest until I make it right. Couldn't stand the thought of losing her before time had come. Like a storm that night, in the dark I came undone. Oh, this house will belong to it, so you can make me warm, so you can make it out.
Don't forget to subscribe. Rob Dominic say don't forget to subscribe, people. Alright, stay tuned for the next video coming ahead. And I hope you enjoy all the nature and beauty of these rivers.